All right. Welcome to everybody over at All Rooter Sewer and Drain. My name is Nathan Bruce. I'm going to show you 3 ways today on how to beat your competition online. Okay. I'm going to get right into it with your website. The first thing we got to talk about is content. Content is anything that is on your website, even what pictures are saved as. Okay. So I like to use that because I can kind of point it out and show you what I mean. Because Google's going to run through your website, all right, as soon as it's made, and it's going to start ranking you, and it's going to start pushing the website out in front of possible customers. Okay, so exactly this. You guys have it saved as All Rooter Sewer and Drain, which is your website name, and that's good. Okay, have it as your name and then a little something else, another word or a number or something. Google likes that. Google likes to see that. That's your business name. All right, and we're going to rank you further for that. That's good. That's good that you got that saved. All right, so the next topic we're going to talk about is citations. A citation is simply your business name, your address, and your phone number. Now, some businesses don't need an address, which is totally fine, but it's good to have that information in your business, your Google My Business, which is this rectangle here. All right, it's pretty much all of this piece. Okay. So that's good that you got that set up. All right. I could probably go through this more and just see if you got to add more photos. All right. We could definitely talk about that more, how to get the Google My Business down like perfect. See what your competitors are doing. We could talk more about that. All right. And then I'm going to show you kind of what I looked up. I looked up sewer service, Yonkers, New York. This is what popped up. We got the Google Guaranteeds, which I prefer these more because a lot of people have ad blockers on their devices. So we don't like to see businesses use that and only that. We like them to use pretty much everything. And Google Guaranteeds are perfect. Okay, Google Guaranteeds work. And then we got the Google Map Pack right here. Businesses will pop up here. All right, that's kind of our goal to get your business in this as well. And then we have the directories. So directories are pretty much other websites that let businesses put their information on their site. So Home Advisor, Yelp does this, Angie's List, LinkedIn, Yellow Pages, Facebook does this, things like that. And then we scroll down a little bit further, we'll start seeing the organic listings pop up, which starts when the first business pops up. All right. And the third and last thing I'm going to talk with you about today is backlinks. Backlinks are simply other websites that point directly to your website, and that's what brings in more potential customers for your business. Okay. I unfortunately did not even see your business on this front page. Also for drain cleaning as well, I did not see your business, which is totally fine. That just means we got some work to do. Okay, so yeah, okay, I don't see you guys. All right, I'm going to show you Ahrefs real quick. This is something that I pay for monthly. They pay Google for these numbers. All right, so they're not 100% accurate, but they're pretty close. So this is your website. Out of a 100-point URL rating scale, you guys are sitting at a 4. All right, that's how much trust that Google has in your business. And you're sitting at a 1 out of 100-point scale domain rating. And that's how much power that Google gives to your website. All right, so you guys are bringing in one customer, I should say one person a month checking out your website roughly. And the total value you guys are putting out is $19 through the website monthly. We could check out the keywords real quick. Keywords are super powerful. I love keywords. 15 referring domains are giving you guys those 169 backlinks. These are the ones that are live. You guys have historically had 253. All right, so let me show you a competitor. I'm going to show you 2 or 3 competitors. All right, this is DC Sewer and Draining. Their website is okay. I like the words that they have. They got pictures and stuff, but what matters is explaining themselves more, their services through the words. Okay, people will read this stuff. Not all of it, but people will read it, and it's just better in Google's eyes to definitely have more words on your homepage. Okay, so these are their numbers. All right, this is Farrell Plumbing. Oh, DC. Oh, actually, my bad. Copy, paste. Let's check this out real quick. DCNY sewer and drain. They don't even have any data. That's kind of why I wanted to show you two more competitors. That's kind of crazy. So they have a lot of work to do too. We're going to check out Top Notch, and we're also going to check out Roto-Rooter, which is more of a national company, but I kind of want to show you the possibilities of growing your business even more. Yeah, so their numbers are just really low. They have not done any work. Top Notch Sewer. These are their numbers right here. They're sitting at an 8 and a 0. Okay. Their backlinks aren't helping them out at all because this domain rating is sitting at a 0. Okay, not all backlinks are created equal. A lot of them are just spammy. And an example of this is you wouldn't necessarily go to like an ice cream parlor website and post an ad there, because you're not going to get anyone who needs plumbing clicking on like an ice cream shop. So you'd want like websites that promote best plumbers in the area. You know what I mean? So those are the types of backlinks that we want. All right. And what works for competitors, we're going to make sure it works for you. All right. There's no reason it shouldn't. So this is Roto-Rooter's numbers. So as kind of a bigger company, you can kind of see how the numbers are just growing. So they have a 79 URL rating and a 72 domain rating. All right. They have a lot of backlinks. So we don't have to really go into all those 4 million backlinks. All right, that just means that, someone's been putting in this work and just making sure that these numbers stay high. All right, I do want to show you kind of the keywords that they're ranking for. All right, so they're bringing in 317,000 people monthly checking out the website, and their website's bringing them in 4 million. So they could be doing more outside of online, but that's just what they do using their website. So see, a keyword is simply anything that anyone looks up on Google. Okay, and we want to rank you for keywords that have your name in it, keywords that have your services in it. All right, so you can see that, even plumbers near me. Look at the volume numbers on some of these keywords, and they're ranking first for it. All right, so we want to check out the position, and we want to rank you in the first position for as many keywords as we can. A lot of these are just simply national keywords because they're a big enough company where they're national, they can do that. We want to stick to like the service area, plumbing, Yonkers, New York, and the surrounding towns. We could rank you for those, all right? And that's where we're going to get the most possible clients to come out of that, because, let's see, if we can get like stuff like this, copper sulfate root killer, even though you might not need to rank for that. But like numbers that are lower like this, how to kill drain flies. So 2,900 people monthly search for that. If we could rank your business to that first position, that's an extra 2,900 customers that are going to come right to you. Okay, think about what an extra 2,000, 2,500 customers, even if we have lower conversion rates like 30, 40%, an extra 1,000 customers a month, extra 1,200 customers a month, that can do a lot for businesses. Okay, that could change lives. All right, so that's the power of keywords. I know a lot of business owners kind of struggle doing this stuff and trying to understand it. That's why I'm here, trying to explain it to you better. All right. If you have any questions, definitely give me a shout. All right. I'm here. At the end of the day, you're the hero of your business. I'm just the guy showing you a couple tips. So yeah, if you're not looking to work with me, that's totally okay. Definitely run off with the free tips today that I gave you. Okay. But this information is super powerful, and the businesses that use it get a step ahead. Okay, all businesses need websites. All businesses need to have social presence nowadays. Okay, that's how they get ahead. That's how we get more money. That's how we make more people happy. That's how we help more people, more customers out. So think about it. Let me know. I know this was approaching 10 minutes, but this information here is worth it. Okay, just you sitting down and watching it, you learning a little bit. That's definitely going to spark your mind more, okay? Any dreams or any plans that you have for the business or your personal life, this is the good start. This is the next start. All right, so think about it. Let me know. Have a good one.